this is Russian Recon here today, and I know he's supposed to be filming. Well, I'm supposed to be filming, and he's supposed to be shooting. But I just want to try something out for this. We're actually gonna see if this can deflect. So let's see if this. If we shoot this, we're gonna see if this can protect this from getting hurt. And yeah, so it's this shit. Come on. Some water's falling on. Alright. Alright. Go this way.
Alright.
Alright. 3, 2, 1. It's on. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Alright. Let's see.
I think it's
Wait, oh, it's jammed. Alright. 3, 2, 1.
It's well protected. Yeah. It actually protects it. Alright.
Let's see.
Yeah, only one got through.
Oh, no, none got through. That was from before.
Oh, yeah.
So if you look, no dents except that one. That was like a couple days ago. But, wow. Now we're going to try it on my friend Shane.
No.
Come on. This one. Dude, this is not going to hurt. Watch. Okay. Just going to put my camera down. Just going to load it up with one BB, so you know that I'm only going to shoot you once.
But only if that goes, alright?
Yeah, only with this. Tell me if it hurts or not. Don't worry. Look, it didn't even make a dent into that.
It's metal. It's not, man. I'm not made out of metal. And I will never be made out of metal.
Alright. Now, we're not going to get banned from YouTube because of this. It's because we're not actually shooting the bear skin. We're actually shooting at this. So, oh god. Alright. Just get it tight on you. Make sure it's protecting you. Don't worry, I will not shoot anywhere else but there.
Yeah. Shoot it right in the middle where the number 10 is, alright?
Okay, I got my gun here. Are you ready? Get away. Okay, 3, 2. Okay. 3, 2.
Don't do point blank. Just move from there, alright?
I know. No. Here. Okay, I'll start. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, it didn't hurt. Your turn now. Your turn.
Well, I don't trust you.
You shot me. Now, let's go to the true damage.
Are you gonna?
Hey, I did it.
Did it hurt?
Bounced your right off.
Did it actually hurt?
Nope. I didn't feel one thing.
It's because you're like more braver than me, so.
Yeah.
Alright. Second, no, don't shoot yet.
Assault rifle.
No, you're not shooting with that shit. No.
This is only 200 FPS, alright?
Make sure you shoot the goddamn. Wait. Stand photograph. Make sure you shoot the fucking goddamn thing.
I don't know if it's gonna be accurate. Sometimes I'm shooting by the first person.
Don't
Don't
aim.
worry.
Oh, wait, no.
I'm aiming where the number 10 is. Oh my god. That's hilarious.
I need to set it up. Don't shoot. Set it up. And of course, you set it up wrong. Oh, don't you dare. Now, you better shoot me in the chest.
I will, don't worry. Okay. Who's ready for a bundle of pain? Alright, so.
Well, I'm scared that you might.
It's okay, man.
Wait, no.
For all the things that you did. Now I'm just gonna get the first person.
No, you're aiming at the face.
No, I'm not.
Wait.
I'm not.
Okay, no, don't shoot. Okay, make sure that you're still going.
Yeah.
I didn't
You're
hurt.
all scared for nothing.
That didn't actually even hurt at all. No! Here, let me try with the machine gun.
How about no? We're done?
Yeah. We're done with this. Now you know what to use when you're doing a BB war. Now you know what to use. These Nerf things.
You're gonna be shooting at this.
Now we're gonna be shooting at a broken DS now. Alright?
I call first dibs.
Right, we're gonna shoot at this ball. Okay. Alright, wait, not yet. We need to find something to hold it up. I'm just gonna put it right here. Alright, do this shit. Alright, 3, 2, wait, 3.
This was hard to see a laptop.
Wait. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I have safety part on. Oh!
Oh my god!
Busting up the fucking screen! Oh no, the camera!
Oh, it's exactly like your laptop.
Oh! Oh! Oh, it hit my fucking balls!
Hey, Zach.
Oh god. This is like... Holy crap!
It's busting a cat.
The wind is like... Now I'm gonna shoot the bottom one. Shoot it? Okay, wait. Oh god! Ah! Ah!
Watch out!
Oh, fuck!
You got shot! You got...
Oh, it fucking hit my leg!
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, ah! Hit my thumb!
Oh my god, it's hilarious. It hit me in the knee, but nothing happened.
Oh. Hit the car. Hit the fucking car. Oh. Oh god. I'm scared now.
Alright.
Alright.
Okay, so I
See
see
ya.
a whole bunch of dents in this game, so seems like the DS
Right.
quite good in them.
As you can see, it made a whole bunch of dents to the screen. So it proves that this is actually the screen is cracked.
Yeah.
That's what I did. See, there's
Now let's shoot at a plastic retardant.
yeah, let's shoot.
We have
right here. We have a toy gun. How are we gonna be shooting at?
We just shoot at random stuff like all day, every day.
Yeah. This is what water dripping on right now. All right. So we need to load up the gun. Can you please load up my gun? Here, I'm just gonna skip the video here, so then we'll be getting ready and yeah. Hey, we're back, and my hands are freezing. We'll be shooting this toy gun like we can. So
again.
yeah. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Oh!
Oh, wait.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, we can see all the wires inside.
Oh. Wait, we're shooting a thin spot. Oh! Oh my god. We're wrecking this gun up. Oh, I almost hit you. Oh god, it almost hit me.
You gotta clean this up after, and I just passed my face.
Wait, I'm gonna try and shoot it right here. Oh! Oh! Oh my god! Oh! Hey, the fucking ball is
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Bomb shot.
Oh.
Close. That was too close.
Well, one more BB. Let's make this one count. Where should I shoot it?
Like right in the middle, like right here.
I'm gonna shoot it right here.
Right.
Alright, so you want to see what happened to it? There's like...
Completely destroyed it, alright?
Completely destroyed it. I'm just gonna empty out all the BBs over here where shit has to pick them up. Hey! Look, all the BBs are inside. Alright. And that was it, so
So you ain't gotta clean that up after you know that, right? You guys love junk, you can just shoot it all day.
wait.
No, put the screen open. Put the screen open, I'll just stop on it.
Wait. Green.
No. We do it like men. We smash it over.
Alright. So hope you guys enjoyed and
As always, have a nice day.
I'ma try it out. Okay.